Assalamu alaikum. CA certificate level information technology chapter 3 11th episode এই এপিসোডে আমরা অপটিক্যাল স্টোরেজ ডিভাইস নিয়ে ডিসকাস করব। Optical storage device. Optical device detects and stores data using laser and lights. It can hold more data than USB drives. It is less expensive than USB drives. So, optical device detects, stores and data using laser and lights, and it can hold more data than USB drives, and optical device is less expensive than USB drives. Now about the different types of optical devices. Number one, CD-ROM. CD-ROM is compact disc. Compact disc is read-only memory storage device, and Blu-ray disc. It is capable to view high-definition video and having huge storage capacity. A single-layer Blu-ray disc can store 25 GB data. So Blu-ray disc is capable to view HD videos, and it has huge storage. A single-layer Blu-ray disc can store 25 GB data. Next one is DVD, digital versatile disc, another optical device. The DVD can be recordable, readable, and rewritable. Now we should test our learning outcomes through some MCQs. Number one MCQ, optical device detects and stores data using laser and lights or using magnetized medium. Which one is correct answer? Optical device detects and stores data using laser and lights using magnetized medium. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. Optical device detects and stores data using laser and lights. Next question, optical device can hold data less than USB drive or more than USB drive. Which one is correct answer? Optical device can hold data more than USB drive. So number B is the correct answer. Next question, compact disc. Compact disc is read-only memory or recordable and rewritable disc. Which one is correct answer? Compact disc, CD. Is it read-only memory or recordable and rewritable disc? Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is A. Compact disc is read-only memory. Next question, a single layer Blu-ray disc can hold 50 GB data or 25 GB data. A single layer Blu-ray disc can hold 50 GB data or 25 GB data. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is B. A single layer Blu-ray disc can hold 25 GB data. Next question is, HD video can be viewed by CD-ROM or Blu-ray disc. Which one is correct answer? HD video, high definition video, can be viewed by CD-ROM or Blu-ray disc. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is Blu-ray disc. HD videos can be viewed by Blu-ray disc. Next question, digital versatile disc is capable to record, read, rewrite, or read-only memory. Which one is correct answer? Digital versatile disc means DVD is capable to do what? Record, read, write, or read-only memory. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is record, read, rewrite. So DVD is capable to record, read, rewrite.